In this video, you're going to see me take a profitable trade using the Tactical Data Desk Sentinel Overwatch version 1.2 available on my website. Good morning, this is Jason with Tactical Data Desk LLC, veteran-owned, veteran-operated. You are looking at the Tactical Data Desk Sentinel Overwatch version 1.2 available on my website. Between the 9:40 and 9:45 a.m. hour, price action looked good, and we had price cross the gray dashed line on the upper side of it. That's when I start watching. And then we had an alert arm when price closed above the red dash line and then reclaimed back below. That's what the RC stands for. So I got short at 29,264, set my profit target just above that midline, which is your profit target of 29,221.5. Now that white line that's touching the midline, that is the Tactical Data Desk operational moving average set to EMA 21 periods. That has a special aggregation period and a math calculation. All right, look, bam, profit target taken, Overwatch engage.